Hey guys, welcome to another BODYFX tutorial. For this tutorial I've already done my makeup, and to start my mask I am using a small round brush and a face art black. To give myself a bit of a guide of where I want my mask to go, I'm first starting off with 2 love hearts. I want my mask to be asymmetrical. So I'm putting one love heart underneath one eye, and I'm just putting the other love heart above my other eye. And after that, you can just start adding your swirls and everything around them and create your mask. Once I'm happy with the shape of my mask, I'm also using the same tag black as a bit of an eyeliner as well, just to make my eyes pop a little bit more. Once the paint is dry, I'm now going to go in with a brown star blend, and I'm just going to add shading underneath all of my line work. Now I'm just going to use this Mirror Brilliant Silver, and I'm just using that over the top of my black. It's a really amazing color and it stands out really nicely, especially when you put it on top of black paint. Now to add some extra detail and colour, I'm going in with a tag red, and I'm just creating these little flowery sort of shapes at the ends of my swirls. And I've just dipped the tip of my brush into a little bit of white, and I'm giving those little flowers a bit of a highlight as well. And now I'm going to add my Sugar Pill eyelashes. These ones are called Heiress eyelashes, and they're super dramatic. And of course, we need to have some red lipstick. This liquid lipstick is by Model Rock, and the color is called Rock Out Red. After doing the lipstick, I wanted a little bit more red in the mask as well, so I'm just using a bit more tag red and I'm creating some cute little love hearts. And then that is my Valentine's mask all done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and I hope you all have a very romantic Valentine's Day.